Are you new to ETS, electric thermal storage heating? Recently purchased a home with an ETS system? Are you interested in Wi-Fi capabilities? Did you recently have a heater installed and it is not heating as expected? Is your Steffes heating system not working as it has in the past? In many areas, the power company can assist you, or you can call your installing contractor. You can also use the dealer locator at steffes.com. Type in your zip code to show a list of dealers near you. If there are no dealers in your area, you can work with a licensed electrician. Steffes Technical Support can assist your electrician with troubleshooting while they are on site. For questions regarding the operation of your heater, refer to the owner's manual or user's guide for your heating system. The owner's manual or user's guide can be downloaded from our website at steffes.com. For additional information on the operation of your Steffes heating system, you can email Steffes Technical Support from our website.